Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I wasn't going to do another video, and then the person that suggested how to do this also suggested that when you have these dots, instead of blending them again, you can set your nudge factor on 9 inches and then just move them down. They're the same angle. And I wasn't going to do a video for that, and then I started thinking, I did leave out one little bit crucial point. I'm going to group it all together. Set your nudge distance on like 0.25 and grab it and move it down and over. You can't cut on that line that's next to your rulers. The laser will not fire right there and right there. And if you think you can fool it and make your piece exactly that size, it might not work. It might work, it might not work. But you're not going to get as accurate. So I would move it over 0.25 by 0.25 and then cut this in this way your laser cuts this. And for accuracy, this one probably wouldn't matter. But a lot of times, boards you get at Home Depot aren't 100% square. And I guarantee the laser will make it square. So you can move these down by nudging them. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.